It looks like I glued it. It looks like I glued it. But you guys, like I said, this is not glued, girl. This is not glued. If you want to find out how to get a beautiful glueless bob like this from Love Me Hair, just keep on watching.
Hey
guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a bob review on none other than Love Me Hair Bob. You guys know how much I love me some Love Me Hair. They gave me this bob wig to review, and this is it fresh out of the box. I haven't tried it on yet. I haven't seen it yet, so let's just take it out. I just love bob wigs because, especially glueless ones, because they're just amazing to just pop on. Okay, so this is how the wig looks, right? Here it's nice and you can tell the texture is absolutely beautiful. It is so nice. What I love is you can already tell like it is so nice. Look at the plucking work on this. It's already pre-plucked, pre-cut. Literally all I have to do is put it on my head, right? All right, this is how the inside looks. What I'm liking is that these are removable combs. So a lot of people don't like combs inside, or some people do, but these you can definitely remove. And there is a comb at the bottom also that's removable. So I need to show you guys this drawstring that you'll absolutely love. So depending on how big or small your head is, there's a drawstring right here behind the wig, right? And all you do is, depending on how small it is, you pull it, and you see how the wig is getting smaller? Yeah. So basically all I did was pull this and the wig got smaller. So if you have a small head, you don't need to worry. If you have a big head, you don't need to worry. So this wig is definitely amazing for that. Let me just put it back now. So what I'm gonna do is, I can tell that I'm going to have to put some of my bronzer on this so that it matches my skin tone. So I'm gonna do that right now and I'll be right back. All right guys, so I went ahead and put that on. So now I'm just gonna put on the bob wig so you can see. You guys, I literally just put it on. Oh my goodness, it's so amazing already. Wow. Mind you guys, this is not glued on or anything. I have not glued it on, and it's already looking so natural, so beautiful. I'm loving this. It's literally already parted and everything. I don't have to do anything. I just have to kind of style it if I want to. But you guys, literally this is not glued on. Look, it's not glued. I literally just put it on my head and I can go about my day. I'm loving this. And you know what I love too? So Love Me Hair, their wigs now, they have an ear friendly tab over here, okay? So I don't even have to cut anything. You know, a lot of times we put on wigs and it hurts a lot, like around the ear. Like, it's not doing that at all. So I'm really happy about that. Okay, so I thought this video would be much longer, but there's not really much else to show because the hair is actually like perfect. All I have to do is just like, you can wear it like this if you want, because literally I just popped it on my head. But what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to go ahead and style it. All right, so what I'm gonna do to style it is I'm going to take my olive oil heat protecting serum. The hair is super shiny on its own, but I like adding this because before I flat iron it, it helps it to stay in place, especially because this hair is so nice and silky that you want it to, like, wherever you flat iron, you don't want it to just like go out of place, right? You actually want it to stay in place. And again, I don't even really need to flat iron it too much. I'm not going to flat iron everywhere because the back is perfect, as you can see. It's just the front that I kind of wanted to like stay tamed. You know what I mean? Okay. So I take my flat iron and I'm going to start over here, and I'm not even going to like do like a big curl motion, just kind of just like this. See what I mean? Yeah. The difference between this and this. Again, the hair comes perfect, but I kind of want it to be in a uniform type of bob. Alright, so you guys have it right here. This is the perfect bob from LUVME Hair. Look at it. It's perfect. It looks like I glued it. It looks like I glued it. But you guys, like I said, this is not glued, girl. This is not glued. It's just on my head, okay? Whoops. So, what I like to do, because I really want this to be like a glueless install, okay? So what I like to do is put some of the hair kind of behind my ear, just like this, and this is a whole look. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. You could even put this part behind your ear too if you wanted to, if you want the hair out of your face, and it's still a perfect bob. Anyways, I'm speechless. I love that there has been zero shedding since I took it out the bag. And usually if hair is going to shed, it kind of gives you a hint of that as soon as you take it out and brush it out. As you saw, I did brush it, and there has been no shedding. I love it so much. And yeah, I love the fact that it's not glued, and the fact that I was able to adjust this band, as I said right here, this band, and it hides, the hair hides it, by the way. And if it doesn't, like if you decide to go for a shorter cut, then you can always just tuck it in, but I don't feel like tucking it in because the hair's hiding it. I want you guys to see the shine of it. Look how shiny it is, and look how it just moves. No, I love it. Shout out to LUVME Hair for sponsoring this video. I love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions directly about the hair, feel free to contact LUVME Hair. If you have any questions about how I still like the hair, feel free to contact me. And yeah, comment, like, and subscribe. See you guys next time.